Right. So it looks very nice. So thank you, Vishwanathan and Saloni, for giving us a brief overview about working with XML. Right. So
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
like that. Thank you for your contribution to my course. So as both of you have given some input, like it's easy to design a simple XML document. You can create your own tags. So only one thing you need to check is that you need to check whether it's a well-formed document or not. You need to check whether it's a valid XML document or not. Using some maybe some document type definition, you can check whether it's a valid document or not. Right again, right. So once you work with this lab exercises, I think you'll be able to know how to retrieve the data that is being present in an XML document and update the values that are present in an XML document. So long back, what we do was that we used to get the elements from form elements, right? So you have some text box or yeah, mostly text box, check boxes, option button. So we used to write a program in PHP to read the values of text, the form elements, and store it in a backend XML document, right? So generally you use SQL for storing the backend data. So what we do is that we'll be collecting the data that is being present in the form elements, and will store it in a XML format in a backend database. So that's how we used to write some programs. So if you have time, you can explore that also, right? So you can read maybe the name of your student, maybe a label. Then you have a text box containing the student name, age, and so on. So so you have a few text boxes, and you have some check box, option button, and so on. So you can read those values and store it in the backend database, which is an XML format. So for that, I think you can use either like Python, or you can use PHP or some other softwares, right? So I feel that this right. So the introduction or the overview given by both Vishwanathan and Saloni is more than enough for working with this week lab exercises. So make yourself familiar with this week content. Uh, right. So I plan to teach the next chapter, concurrency control techniques. So